Hey everybody, just wanted to make a quick video showing the function of the Ramman Inc. hubs for my 2013 Ram 2500. It really is as simple as he says. You just take off the old one. There's the old one. The hardest part is just getting the old one off. From there, you simply put the spacer on in between the new unit bearing and the knuckle. Slide this on, bolt it on. Then you put these little spacers on for the rotor, and put the caliper back on, and there you have it. We'll show it's functioning. So right now we're in free, so spinning in it, nothing's happening. Nothing's happening either way. We'll engage it, and we'll watch the U-joints and all. There we go. We're good to go. So now this should be pretty nice. Hopefully some more longevity. Have a free spinning front end. Just don't forget your ABS port. We'll walk around to the other side, to the driver's side real quick. Show you a completed run with the hub. Same system. Free spinning. I don't think you can see this one very well, but free spinning. Come back here, lock it up, and it's engaged for four-wheel drive. Unlock it, and disengaged for free spinning. All I need to do with this one is just put my tire and wheel back on. There's the old. Like I said, the hardest thing was taking out the old one, but even that wasn't too bad. It took me about probably an hour and a half the first time, and that was using cleaning it up, cleaning everything as it go, wiping down all the grime that's been on over time. And then the other side probably took only about 45 minutes. Again, taking my time. So there you go. Get you some.